Remember how amazed we were when AI tools like ChatGPT and Bard came out? We all were eager to try them, right? And now these tools have become a normal part of our life, helping us out in so many ways. But guess what? There's a brand new AI tool making waves, and it's a pretty incredible. It's called Devin AI. Imagine this. You have a friend who is coding genius. He can take your ideas and turn them into cool apps and websites almost like magic. That's kind of what Devin AI is like. It is an AI coder created by a company called Cognition Labs over in the US. They saw the potential of AI to revolutionize coding, and Devin AI is their brainchild. But here's the coolest part. Devin AI doesn't give suggestions, it actually gets down to business. It has its own toolbox filled with coding skills and problem-solving abilities. You can think of it like a super-powered coding assistant that can write code, fix bugs, and even learn and improve over time. And what can it do? Well, anything a programmer can. Devin AI can write lean code, fix those annoying glitches, and even tackle tricky coding problems. Plus, this Brainiac AI can even build entire application on its own. And let me tell you more about its capabilities. Independent researchers have highlighted its impressive performance on the SWE Bench coding benchmark. Now, the SWE Bench is kind of like an exam for AI coders. It throws real-world coding challenges at them, the kind of programmers face every day. These challenges involve things like fixing bugs in existing code or creating new features based on the description. Well, guess what? Devin AI aced this exam. It solved problems on the SWE bench way better than other AI models, even those with extra help. This shows that Devin AI can think critically and plan complex tasks effectively, just like a human programmer. What's even more exciting is that Devin AI has reportedly tackled real-world problems from open source projects and fixed them entirely on its own. In fact, it solved a staggering 13.86% of these issues better than top human engineers. These achievements showcase Devin AI's potential to be a game changer for developers. It's not just about writing code, it's about handling entire projects from start to finish. As Devin AI continues to develop, we are witnessing the rise of a new era in software engineering. Imagine creating new programs much faster and easier, with Devin AI handling the repetitive tasks. That frees up programmers to focus on the fun stuff, like designing cool features and coming up with innovative ideas. But I know what most of you must be thinking. Will it be going to replace the programmers? So let me tell you my views on this. These AI tools can serve or help you like super helpful teammates, but it's unlikely that they can replace the programmers completely. Instead, these tools can help programmers become even more productive. Think of it having an extra pair of coding hands to get things done faster. Now I know you all want to try it out. So let me tell you, it's still in early days in the beta testing phase, but you can actually request access to try it out from their official website. As for pricing, it works on tiered system based on what you need. So there might be options for individual users and small teams. So to conclude, I would like to say Devin AI is definitely a big step forward in AI development, and it's exciting to see what the future holds. So what do you think? Will AI change the way we code forever? Let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content.